Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Today, we explore the art of creating an exceptional outdoor culinary experience with amazing and comfortable pergola kitchen decor. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's begin by defining pergola kitchen decor. It refers to the design and arrangement of elements within and around an outdoor kitchen situated beneath a pergola structure. It's about more than simply placing a grill under a shaded structure. It's about creating a cohesive and inviting outdoor living space where cooking, dining, and socializing seamlessly blend. It considers the interplay of materials, textures, lighting, and landscaping to create a harmonious and functional extension of your home. Why choose pergola kitchen decor? The advantages are numerous. First, it expands your living space, creating an outdoor room perfect for entertaining and enjoying the fresh air. Second, it adds value to your property, creating a desirable feature that enhances its appeal. Third, a well-designed pergola kitchen provides protection from the elements, allowing you to enjoy outdoor cooking and dining year-round. Finally, it creates a dedicated space for culinary pursuits, keeping cooking odors and mess contained outside your home. Creating a visually appealing pergola kitchen requires careful consideration of several key factors. The pergola itself serves as the architectural anchor, so its style should complement your home's exterior. The materials you choose for the kitchen elements, such as countertops, cabinetry, and flooring, should be durable and weather-resistant. Consider the flow of traffic within the space and ensure adequate clearance for movement. Lighting is crucial for both functionality and ambience. Finally, integrate the pergola kitchen with the surrounding landscape to create a seamless transition between indoors and out. Selecting the right elements is crucial for a successful pergola kitchen. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 pergola kitchen decor ideas. 1. Built-in grill. Choose a grill appropriate for your cooking style and frequency of use. Consider fuel type, gas, charcoal, or pellet, and features like rotisseries, side burners, and sear stations. Ensure proper ventilation within the pergola structure. 2. Outdoor refrigerator. Opt for a refrigerator specifically designed for outdoor use to withstand the elements. Consider capacity, features like adjustable shelves and door storage, and energy efficiency. 3. Countertop space. Select durable and weather-resistant materials like granite, concrete, or stainless steel. Consider the size and layout of the countertop to accommodate food preparation and serving. 4. Sink and faucet. Choose a stainless steel sink for durability and ease of cleaning. Ensure proper plumbing and drainage for the sink. 5. Storage solutions. Select weather-resistant cabinets and drawers made from materials like stainless steel, PVC, or marine-grade plywood. Consider incorporating drawers for utensils, cabinets for cookware, and open shelving for display. 6. Bar seating. Choose comfortable bar stools with weather-resistant cushions and frames. Consider the height of the counter or island when selecting bar stools. 7. Lighting. Use a combination of task lighting for food preparation, ambient lighting for creating a mood, and accent lighting for highlighting architectural features. 8. Outdoor dining table and chairs. Choose a table and chairs made from durable materials like teak, aluminum, or wicker. Consider the size and style of the furniture to complement the pergola kitchen. 9. Landscaping. Incorporate plants that thrive in your climate and complement the design style of your pergola kitchen. Consider using herbs for cooking and vines for adding visual interest to the pergola structure. 10. Heating elements. Choose heating elements that are appropriate for the size of your pergola kitchen and the climate in your area. Ensure proper ventilation and safety precautions when using heating elements. By thoughtfully planning and implementing these ideas, you can create a truly exceptional pergola kitchen that becomes the heart of your outdoor living space. We hope this guide has inspired you to create your own outdoor culinary oasis. Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and design inspiration. Share your pergola kitchen dreams in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.